እንትን ጃኒ የአሜሪካ ኤምባሲው ጉዳይን ሄደ የተሰቀሉት የፕሬዝዳንቶች ፎቶ ምን ተፈጠረ? እስኪ
አራቴ እስካሁን ተከልክያለሁ።
ኦኬ ቪዛ
ከድሮ ጀምሮ ሲቆጠር ቪዛ ግን ብዙ ሰዎች አሁን የኛ እይታችን ሌላ አይደለም።
በደም
ኢምፕሬሽኒስቶች እይታችን ሌላ ነው። ቀደም ስለው ነበር ለናሆምና ብዙ ሰዎች የማያውቁት ዲናይድ ስትሆን ካዳመጥክ ግርግዳው ላይ ያሉት የአሜሪካ ኤምባሲ ግርግዳው ላይ ያሉት የአሜሪካ ፕሬዝዳንቶች ፎቶዎች አሉ። ይሁሉ ያዋሩሃል ኢምፕሬሽኒስት ስትሆን እና ዲናይድ ትሆናለህ አይደል?
I'm sorry sir but you don't seem to qualify for a US visa.
ብላ ተጣለች ወይ ሰጣለች። ከዛ ቀና ብለህ ካዳመጥክ ቡሽ እኔ መጀመሪያ ቡሽ ነው ያወራኝ።
አረ ከፎቶ ላይ
Fool me once. Fool me once, you're a fool. I'm a fool. No, የሚሆን አባባል አለ እሱ የሚለው Fool me once, shame on me. No, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. Mr. Abbey, you don't really look like an Ethiopian. You look like a Sudani. ከዛ ሁለተኛ ገባው ሁለተኛም ተከለከልኩ። I'm sorry sir but you don't seem to qualify for a US visa. Try next time. ከዛ ያወራኝ ክሊንተን ነው። Oh my goodness. Look at that woman next to you, Jenny. She is so fine. Yeah, I can take you to the US anytime. Just call me. She is so fine.
Wow.
ከዛ ሶስተኛ ገባው እየተከታተላችሁ ነው።
ወረም ሶስተኛ
ላይ እዛ ስገባ ኦባማ ነው። ሶስተኛም ተከለከልኩኝ። I'm sorry sir but you don't seem to qualify for a US visa. እዛ ኦባማ listen, Jam, next time you come to the U.S. Embassy in Addis Ababa, use your impressions to create the right impression. Yes, you can, Jam. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. መጨረሻ ስከለከል ታሬ ነበር። Look at this guy. This guy he's not even funny by the way. He's not funny. He's so big, by the way, so huge. His head is so big, by the way. Most Ethiopian men, I love Ethiopian women, by the way, so fun. Somali, I love Somalian women. Yes. Most Ethiopian men and Somali men have big heads and chicken legs. They look like human lollipops. Big heads and chicken legs, the men. Some Ethiopian men look like light bulbs. Big head and a small neck, by the way. Great people. Don't ever come to the US Embassy, Jamie. You made fun of me tremendously.
ታሬ ያመረረ